give you one promise. This is January 2026. Some families will move in here by December 2026. And also, as you can see, we are on the first slab of one of the buildings on the Zone 1 area of the Cubana Millennium City, Asaba. You can see the gatehouse is almost at the conclusion stage. And if you look behind you, you see the stretch of buildings coming up. If you look behind me, you see another one coming up. Look down that center. And further down that place, you see an equipment dump. You see all the materials we are putting for the infrastructure, for the roads, for the gutters, for the culvert, for everything, okay? So this is actually a futuristic city that we promised you, that we're bringing here. You can see testimonies of people who have been coming here. They say that this is unbelievable happening here, but we can't do less than what we say we are going to do. It's a Cubana thing, okay? So look at the blocks here, look at the beams here, look at all the runners, look at the quality of the iron work, look at the number of manpower at the site in this January. We know we truly mean business. The clearing is going on. We're trying to beat the rains to achieve a percentage of the job completion. Because I give you one promise. This is January 2026. Some families will move in here by December 2026. So that's why we're racing against time to make sure that we keep to our words. You know that we say what we do and we do what we say. See houses that are springing up like green during the rainy season. Look at the quality, all of them with their elevator shaft and everything. Look at the quality of the plumbing material you're using. This is top tier. Look at it. So everything from start to finish is grade A. Look at this. Just look at this. Look at the columns. Look at the pipes. Look at the equipment all over there. Okay? So this is Cubana Millennium City. You see you guys in a few months' time and you see a finished sample of this house. Say by April, by my birthday, you see this particular house. And then you know what we mean.